So good morning everyone and probably good afternoon. And today I will be representing our AI powered sales assistant which I created using the Vapi AI. And the objective of this project is to basically automate the customer interaction and provide instant assistance without requiring a human representative like to be available all the time. So our AI sales assistant use NLP and voice capabilities to communicate with the customers in human-like manner. So what it can do is basically greet the customer, understand the requirement, answer product or service related, and basically handle common objections and collect customer info, etc. For this POC, we used POC voice agent platform, and as you can see, I created this. Its name is Alex, and like I can change it. Like for example, I can change the first message to be John, and we can name as Indian Tech Solution Customer item today, and this is the prompt. So let's check out.
Hi there, this is John from Indian Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking for a productivity software for my team.
Thanks for reaching out. For productivity, we offer Taskmaster Pro, which helps teams organize tasks, collaborate, and manage projects efficiently. Could you tell me more about your team's needs?
So basically, my team size is around 25, and also like we want software which can a team can collaborate, communicate, and we can track the projects and do advanced reporting features.
Got it. Thanks for sharing those details. For a team of around 25, Taskmaster Pro's premium or enterprise plans would be a great fit. It supports team collaboration, real time communication, project tracking, and advanced reporting features. Just to clarify, when you mention communication, are you looking for built in chat or video calls, or mainly task comments and notifications?
All of this.
Understood. Taskmaster Pro includes built in chat for team messaging and supports comments on tasks. However, it doesn't have integrated video calling. Most teams use it alongside tools like Zoom or Teams for video meetings. For project
Uh,
tracking and advanced
Perfect.
reporting,
So
Task.
that sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions about Taskmaster Pro or want a demo, just let me know. Thank you.
So as you saw, in this we are using GPT 4.1 as the LLM and transcriber as DeepGram, and voice is alert. Its VPI's on voice assistant. So as you saw, this project demonstrates how voice AI agents can enhance the sales by engaging customers, answering the queries, and recommending products. Obviously, like we can improve it a lot, and we can also make it customs for specific organization or industries too. So thank you, and this was my POC which I created.